Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove a payment method from your Facebook ad account. So whether you're switching cards, closing an ad account, or just cleaning up your billing settings, it is super simple. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you where to find it since I don't have a billing account that is currently tied to my Meta Business Suite, but it is pretty simple. So first, just open Facebook Business Settings first, which is business.facebook.com, and log into your account. Make sure you're in the right or correct Business Manager or Meta Business Suite account. Once done or once inside, click here onto the left side to hover this, click on Settings, and then right after you'll have to scroll down until you find in Billings and Payments. So once you locate that, it will go ahead and open another page. So this will show you all of the payment methods that are currently linked to your ad account. So if you see those payment methods that you have here, so let's click first here on payment methods. So if you have a payment method in here, it is very easy to remove that. Just simply click onto the three dots onto the side of it or click on the manage button and then you should be able to see an option to remove it. Note as well that Facebook won't let you remove a payment method if it's the only one attached to an active ad account. So you must either add a new payment method first before deleting it or close or disable the ad account. And that is just basically it on how you remove a payment method from Facebook ad account quickly and safely. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.